Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the essential spatial and temporal inputs so you can animate events. Import KML/KMZ base maps, add high-res imagery, and load a CSV timeline that ties unit ID to coordinates and timestamps. Once done, verify coordinate reference consistency and set altitude modes for each track so movement looks realistic. Make sure to group related place marks by layer type. This lets you toggle forces, reconnaissance, and objectives quickly while you craft the sequence. Now build the animation. Transform your timeline into KML with GX, track elements for smooth interpolation. Import the track KML into Google Earth, check that timestamps appear on the time slider, and adjust sample rates for smoother playback. Style each force with distinct icons, colors, and altitude offsets so overlapping paths remain visible. As you work, preview the time slider and refine the interpolation method, and track sampling until movement reflects intended. Finish by composing camera tours that jump between focal points, attach pop-ups with context, and layer a synchronized narration or captions. Use Google Earth Pro's Tour Recorder to capture the sequence to MP4 or bundle everything into a KMZ for sharing. If playback stutters or the time slider lags, prune redundant track points, lower icon complexity, and reduce imagery resolution to improve performance. One troubleshooting tip: validate timestamps and remove duplicated time entries to fix frozen frames.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.